Established in 1988, Perfection Air Conditioning and Heating has exactly what you need when you want a service on your unit done right. Our fully certified, highly trained technicians know our customers expect results when it comes to solving their heating and air conditioning issues. Our products are fit for quality performance and for quality assurance. So whether you need service or replacement of used air conditioning equipment, improved attic ventilation, automotive, ream, or central air conditioning equipment, we've got you covered. So keep your home or vehicle cool and comfortable all year long. Call the experts at Perfection Air Conditioning. Contact us today.